Welcome to this 5-minute beginning chair yoga for neck and shoulder tension relief. Sit with your knees and feet wide apart. Lean to your left and stretch the right side of your torso. Return to center, then lean to your right, stretching the left side. Repeat, leaning to the left, and this time, take your right arm up and over. Extend from your ribs to your fingertips. Come back up and reach over to your right. Extend the left arm, feeling the stretch from the waist all the way to the fingertips. Leaning left once more. See if you can stretch your right arm even further and breathe into it. And then when you're ready, move to the right side. For a deeper stretch, slide your left hand closer to the floor as you lean left. Then extend your right arm up and over. Now come back, lean right, and slide your right hand down and stretch and extend the left arm fully. Keep breathing and extending. Sit upright, pointing your feet forward. Extend the arms in front of you. Then cross the left arm over the right and wrap your arms around your shoulders. Bring your arms forward and switch, crossing the right arm over the left and wrap. Then release the arms back and down. Stretch your right arm across your body and pull gently with your left hand as you look over to your right. Switch side and stretch the left arm. Let's roll the shoulders a few times from front to back. And then we can reverse and go from back to front. Place your right hand on top of your head and gently tilt your head to the right. Keep your neck soft and allow that stretch. Then come back and repeat to the left side. Interlace your fingers in front of you and turn the palms outward. Then stretch your arms up and lift them overhead. Keep your elbows as straight as you can while you reach up and extend the arms to the sides as you bring them down. Let's repeat this once more. And while keeping your arms straight is important, do take care to keep a suitable range of motion and only stretch up your arms as high as is comfortable for your shoulders. Spread the arms wide and then release. Now lift the arms dynamically up while you inhale and reach them out to the sides on the exhale. Look to see that you're keeping your shoulders soft by releasing them down your back, then release the arms. One more rep. Focus on broadening the chest, looking straight ahead, and breathing softly. Once more, inhale while you lift your arms and your chest. Spread the arms and this time turn the palms up. Now the tendency is to hold the arms here from the shoulders. Instead, soften them and stretch the arms as wide as you can. Up with the arms once more. Extend to the side, and now reach the left arm to the right knee, the right hand behind you as you twist over to the right. Return to center, and now let's twist left. Now gently lean forward and let your head hang and release the neck. That's it for our neck and shoulder session. I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.